Hello, this is Sarah from addon.com. In the last video, we had a quick look on how to install the Test Expander add-on. In this video, I want to talk about the concept behind Text Expander, so you can have a better understanding of the way it works. Before we create a test in Google Forms, we have to plan the test, so we will not miss on any topic. For example, let's say I plan a test on 3 chapters in the workbook. The test will have 10 questions from these 3 chapters. So, let's say we will have 3 questions from Chapter 1, 3 questions from Chapter 2, and 4 questions from Chapter 3. In Google Forms, we will first create all 10 questions. Afterwards, we will divide them into 3 different sections, and give every section a name. The problem is, it's the same test for all the students. So, if students will want to copy from each other, it's pretty easy to do. At this point, Test Expander comes into the picture. Let me show you what it does. First, we will add more questions to each section. Instead of 3 questions on Section 1, we will add 3 more questions, so we have 6 questions on Section 1. Instead of 3 questions on Section 2, we will add 3 more questions, so we have 6 questions on Section 2. And instead of 4 questions on Section 3, we will add 3 more questions, so we will have 7 questions. We will tell Test Expander to choose randomly 3 questions from Section 1, 3 random questions from Section 2, and 4 random questions from Section 3. This way, we will keep a 10-question test, but since the questions are picked randomly, every student will get a completely different test. In other words, Test Expander allows you to get completely different tests from the same questions. Think of the possibilities it opens for you, as a teacher. So let's summarize. To use Test Expander, we will make just 3 steps. Step 1, we will create a test and divide the questions into sections. Step 2, we will add more questions than we need in each and every section. Step 3, we will tell Test Expander how many questions from each section to show the students. Test Expander will randomize the questions shown, creating a unique test for each student. In the next video we will go to Google Forms and do it hands-on.